Hi guys, it's Jeffrey Benson right here. So today I'm doing a continuation video about my FTMO challenge. So this is how I passed FTMO challenge in less than a week, trading just few pairs. I'm going to teach you how I did that, and you can also learn a thing or two to add to your own personal strategy. I mean, money management. All right, prior to this time, I've done about two and I failed them. The reason why I failed is pretty much because of money management, not because of my strategy. Right now, I'm still using the same strategy, but what I changed that made me to pass is because of the money management strategy that I use. So for those who are new to my channel, please make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notification so that whenever I post any new video and the follow-up from this one, you will get it first in your mailbox. And also make sure you drop a comment of whatever you want me to make video. Let's say you want me to show you the profit split, but that's if I get from there. I'm willing to show you everything just to make sure that you know that these guys are real, because I've had friends that also made money from this thing and they've gotten their profit split. So I'm also ready to show you that as a proof too. So what is FTMO? FTMO is a proprietary firm trading the fund for serious traders. So right here I've got 100,000 I paid for this one. So basically I paid 540 euro, somewhere close to like say 610 US dollars. That's what I paid to have this challenge. So this first step, this is one I've passed. Next one I'm going to be going to is verification, which is pretty much easier. So now let me just run through. After this verification, then I become the FTMO trader. So the challenge, what you are required to make is you are required to make profit of $10,000, a maximum loss of $10,000. The max daily loss, this is the main issue, is $5,000. The minimum trading days, which is 10. I'm going to be explaining this one, and you have 30 calendar trading days. This 30 calendar trading days is actually okay since Saturdays and Sunday is not a trading day. So technically, you have 22 to 23 days to trade, and you must be present 10 days. All right. So basically, in 2 weeks, you must be present. That's what these two rules mean. But let me just delve right in and show you. Then for verification, you have 60 days, which is more. You have a smaller target to meet. So you being able to pass this one, your high chances that you definitely pass this one. Although I've heard of cases that some persons they pass this and they fail at here. All right. Let me show you my account right now and the reason why I'm making this video. So this is today making exactly 1 week. I purchased this plan. I purchased it on the 22nd, which is on Sunday, last week Sunday, and my details were sent to me on Monday. That's the next working day. So that's what you can see right here. These are my credentials. We'll just delve into it. So you see, it started 23rd of March and stuff. This is 100,000. The provider, the broker I'm using is Admiral Markets, and the account type is 0MT4. They have low spread and they charge $6 per. They charge commission $6 per lot, per one standard lot. So this Admiral Market is actually very good and it's also very tight. So this is the statistics. The equity is 110,838. So I was able to make 10,838 in a period of 4 days, 4 trading days. All right, I started on Monday and I was able to achieve this result on Thursday, between Monday to Thursday. So the number of trades that I took is 57, which is actually very fair to me based on high trade. I use dollar averaging cost, which I'm going to be explaining as time goes on. So the lot size, total lot size in all the trading days, I trade for 5 days so far. No, even though I've achieved my result within 4 days, even if one day I achieve my result, I will still have to wait till 10 minimum trading days. That's what you see right here. I will just get there in a few minutes. So my win ratio is 70%, which is pretty good. Then the average profit is 421, while the average loss is 353. The average risk to reward is 1.19, all right, which is also very fine. And my profit factor is 2.0. So this one is fine as long as it is above 0.9. Once it's 1, that's positive, all right. So now, going back to the chart, the curve, you can see right here, I did not have any drawdown on the account, no loss. So that's the reason why you can see on my mass loss is just positive, because when I started out, I never had any negative, no drawdown on my account. So I started out positive and all of the I ended it. The thing about this thing is money management. You can use any strategy, but make sure your money management is top notch so you don't fail out on your max daily loss, which is the main thing. That's the main challenge I face. I've tried several free trial accounts. I've tried two challenges before I pass this one. So in case someone is about to give up, do not give up. Just keep on trying. Try. If you fail out on your challenge, go to the free trial. Know what you're not doing right. Figure it out and focus on what you are doing right and keep replicating it. That's just the best thing to go on with this. So you can see the only thing that is left for me now is this minimum trading day. So I have to keep on placing trade until it is me at least 10 trading days. So some people do it by placing 0.01 just to show register that they are present for that day, or I'm going to be placing 0.5, which is what I did on Friday right here. So I'm placing 0.5. So this will now take me to the next phase, which is the daily summary. So daily summary, starting from where I started on 23rd of March, and the number of trades I took were 5 in total. Then the lot is 9 standard lots altogether among these 5 trades. So I made 1,400 US dollars, which is close to 1,005. The second day, I used 25 lots in 15 trades. I made 3,293. So this is the Wednesday I was talking about, this third day. I was already up with $5,000 right here. But I made that huge mistake and I was down there. Then Thursday, this is where I used dollar averaging cost that I'm going to be explaining. Then this is on Friday, I placed 0.05, and this will now take me to the trade number of trades that I'm placing in the trading journal. So you can see the last trade I placed were placed on 0.5 rather, 0.5. Okay, this is for 27, which is on Friday, 27. 27 trades started from here. All right, so you can see it's all 0.5. Okay, and it was still positive for me. And I also showed you, I also put in some chart here to so I can explain how I pick my entries from my trading view, how I pick my entries, and how I also exit. Here is one example of the chart. You can see right here, I enter in this trade from this point. I entered in at this point. My profit target was right at that top. I use psychological levels to take profit and everything. When I'm explaining this, when I'm explaining my dollar averaging cost, you're going to see what I mean by psychological level and how I place my stop loss and my take profits. So this is the chart where I made that this amount of money. Then on Euro USD, yes, these two standards that I made 938. Here's my chart. You can see this gap pretty much hits my take profit and even went further when my stop loss was here. And I only placed one trade on that. So this is also the wall for my GBP USD. Another trade I bought on this one too. All right, so just to keep records, so in case I'm having losing streak, I can come back and look at what I was doing before I was profitable. That's the reason why I really appreciate FTMO for bringing up this data, the statistics, and the applications that they put up here. It's really very helpful. And this was the day I made a massive loss, 1,500. And if you move to the next page, here you're still going to see more losses that I made that brought me down to that 5,001 right here. Okay, that's that about the trading journal. There, a whole lot right there. So I only trade majorly 2 pairs. I tried to add one more pair, but that pair was giving me serious drawdown, so I had to drop it off. So these are the symbol. The major pair I trade most is GBP USD and Euro USD, and I also tried GBP USD and lost huge there. So I had to drop that pair. So in my verification, I'm only going to trade in GBP USD and Euro USD. So I had more buy orders than sell. So on buy, I made 7,882. On sales, I made just 2,009. So on my opening hour, these are my opening hours. So this statistical app is really very helpful. Then the volumes that I trade 1.0, 1.5, which is very fair for a $100,000 account. It's very fair. And I also trade, the only time I know I trade huge lot was just 3.5 and just a few times. So the most lot I trade is 1.5 and 1.0 and 2.0. So these are the trades. That's how I place all my trades. So now on the dollar averaging cost, what I do is, here's an example of how I made that my last trade. You can see whenever trades pulls down, whenever this guy pulls down, I've already determined my trend on my H4. Since I'm a day trader, I determine my major trend on H4 for hours. I determine my current trade on 1 hour, and I pick my entry on 15 minutes. That's basically much how I trade. Okay, I look at price action, look at candle reactions, and I jump in. So you can see this order right here where I placed this buy on this weak entry. What happened was I had all these orders set before as a pending order. this one on at 1.1900 is a pending order that I set here. So when this guy retraced to this point, immediately I know it was about to reverse here. I jump in. So came in here, this guy was triggered. I jump into 1.0. Then I placed a pending order of 2 standards right here. Come in here, it came in here, it triggered. Then upon the close, this guy came, dropped a little. Then when it started moving up, I placed another 1 standard lot trade. Then I also set a pending order here, which is 1.0. So why am I doing it this way? And let's say I have $1,000 to risk in a particular trade on GBP USD. What I will do, I will not just risk that $1,000. And for me to risk that $1,000, I have to place 5 standard lots. What I will do is I would rather break it up such that, for example, if I entered in 5 standard lot, or let's say I entered with 5 standard lot, let me calculate all the lot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standard lot all at once. What if the trade had continued going down? So the drawdown would have been much on my account, and we have a limited max daily loss, you know. So that's why I brought up this approach. All right, so I will split it, enter with 1 standard first. So if it keep on going in my direction, I keep on adding position. But if it keep on going against me, if I'm very sure of the direction on my 4 hours, I will have to add another one again. So I'll have an earlier entry. Okay, that's just what dollar averaging cost means. Taking my risk, splitting it, and putting in one after the other. So this trade, if you go check on GBP USD, it kept on going up. This 1.19500. If I take it to my trading view right now, you see GBP USD did even more than that. So I entered this trade at somewhere right here, which was what I show you in one of my trading journal at this week. So there are many other nifty entries that I have, weak entries that I have, but I didn't just take a screenshot of those on my phone, on my phone, because I trade off my phone. I do analysis on my laptop and I trade off my phone. So that's basically much all I just have to say. Make sure you're keeping your max daily loss. You are keeping an eye on this your max daily loss, and be very, 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 very careful with your money management. Know what you are doing at all times. And this time in market volatility is really much because of the situation that the whole world is facing right now. The COVID-19, it's no joke. Companies are shutting down. The Jones, all indices are dropping. Companies is dropping. Even crypto. Few weeks past, we saw the movement on crypto and still has potential of dropping. The US oil is still dropping, currently at $21 or something as I speak right now, which is really, really not so good. So market is moving, is very, very volatile. So you have to be careful. Remember, stay in your house, isolate yourself, make sure you do not go into public gathering, obey your government, and I'm sure this will only take a small time and it will pass. We'll definitely overcome this. All right, guys. I love you all. Make sure you watch other videos on my FTMO, and all the links are going to be included on my description box. If you want to join the Telegram channel, this link is right there. You can join, ask me a question at any time. And if you want to sign up for FTMO, I have an affiliate link which you can use, and I will be giving a small referral. So make sure you use any of these links if you have anything. If you have any question, drop your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to trust the process. Always keep trusting the process. Even when you keep losing, trust the process. Go back to demo. Try. All right, bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.